Hey guys, today we are making another video, third video of the day, and I'm right here at Keaton's. Check out his channel at Keaton Little.
Keaton Little.
Look at that! Look at that spider! It just crawled in between the door.
Oh!
Zoom in on it. Screw! That's a freaking jumping spider.
Go! 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 Ew.
He's literally kicking the spider.
Hold on.
Oh. Sophie! Let me get Sophie. Sophie.
What the frick? Where'd it go?
Kill that spider.
I think it's dead.
Sophie. He's almost I'm almost as tall as you.
No, not even close. You're as tall as Chase. Chase was walking. Chase was walking on his knees in the hallway. Literally, he was sitting down here like this, and I'm sitting there just walking by, and he's like, "Keaton," and I'm like, because he's short down here, you know.
Wait, do that again.
And so I'm like, he's like, "Keaton," I'm like, where's you said my name, and I just kept walking. He's sitting right next to me, saying Keaton, and I looked down. I was like, "Oh."
On his knees.
Yeah, he's on his knees.
Yeah.
But yeah, I should be able to probably come out Thursday. Call me on Thursday. Because I can't come out.
Do you even have your phone? I mean, are you grounded from it?
No, not my phone. I'm just grounded from outside. My dad let me choose either Xbox, phone, or
Outside?
outside.
You picked outside?
Yeah. I need to make videos, dude.
No.
I need to make YouTube videos, dude. Dude, you know, eventually if I get enough subscribers, I can get money from YouTube.
How many subscribers do you need?
Like
5,000?
They had like 5,000. They only get like $34 a week.
How do they know
a
your
month?
address?
Or a month? What?
How do you know where you live?
Who?
The people that send you money.
YouTube.
They
send you like an email and they say, hey, oh Jesus, and they're like, hey, can you give us our email address and we'll send you money because you're making good videos. And you'll know it's them because it has like stuff.
Tell your you should make a video. Wait, is your dad here?
Yeah, he's talking to my Nana though. That's why that car's there.
You need to make a video with my channel on it so that I could get more subscribers.
Yeah, I'll link your channel in
I'll have to put your channel in mine.
my description. And I've
had a bunch of views though. No subscribers.
I still gotta edit my video that I did for my.
I can't edit. It won't let me edit.
You have to get this. There's this app called Splice that I use, and you just I have the only apps you pretty much need for YouTube is YouTube itself, you know, and then camera. Well, it's already on there. You need YouTube, camera, Google Play, or Google Plus, and you need Splice and Intro Maker, and pretty much you'll be set. Because Intro Maker, because then you can.
But don't you need a tripod? Usually. Oh, my flash is on.
Yeah. You just turned it on.
No, I didn't.
But anyway.
Okay, now my flash is off. Okay.
I'll put you in the description.
When are you making your next video?
I'm editing it right now, and then I'll upload it here in a minute to check it out. It's just Minecraft, and then my Nana walks in, and then I'm like, all right, and then I skip to another clip where it says, all right, guys, I'll have to finish this video later. If you guys want to see more of this, please comment down below, and yeah. So yeah, I'll put you in my description now. I'll copy a link on your YouTube channel and just send it in my description.
I have to leave. Do you have to leave a comment down below?
You don't have to. I'm just saying if you guys want to see more, you can. But if you don't, if you want to see another game, then go ahead.
I usually put please subscribe or something like that down there.
Yeah.
I know people are going to start sending fan mail, and a bunch of other things.
When I get at least to
a million,
you'll have. Then I'll start getting fan mail. But that's I have a long ways until I get to.
By the way, on the bus today, Nick wanted. I didn't get it on video, but I was about to, but my phone wouldn't let me. He said when we get older, he wanted to live with me.
Oh yeah, because YouTubers, you know Markiplier and them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he lives with YouTubers. Jake.
I said no. He said, "Who would you do it with when you become famous?" I said, "I don't know." He said, "Why don't you do it with you? Because you're the only YouTuber that he knows." I'm like, no.
Nick and Marvin. They
Bobby the Builder.
Yeah.
Bob the Builder.
Also, the one big thing you don't want to let like why I edit my videos is because
You always if you
blare out the address, yeah, because you don't want them knowing where you live. I mean, even though they would search it up, they would still have to
find where we live, like
what state.
Like what state? Like I'm just gonna say we live in Florida.
But now that it's raining, it's kind of hard to believe where we're. It's kind of they probably know we're not by an ocean if it's raining. And
nope, it's raining today. See?
Crappy outside.
Show the address.
No, you can't post that video though. Can you even see my address?
No.
Oh.
You can barely tell.
All right. Well.
Plus, I have it zoomed out.
But you know, I'll be able to hang out Thursday. All right. No videotaping. Okay. Yeah, just no vlogging. All right. I'll be Thursday.
Look at me. Okay. You need to check out this video because when I post it, you should do it so then when you get notifications. You need to do that.
All right, I'll turn that on. Yeah, I gotta go upload my video. Edit it. All right, I'll see you.
Okay. I'm just leaving Keaton's house, and there goes my vice principal for my school. Yippee! Okay, I'm probably gonna end this video. It's because it's kind of raining, you know. It's raining. So I'm going to edit this video and upload it. Well, not edit because I can't edit. It won't let me. And Oscar shows up! Yay! He finally shows up in the pouring rain. What a retard. Why are you here in the pouring rain? What? Keaton can't play. He can't? No. He got detention.
What are you talking about?
He got detention today at school.
Oh, I know. He was chasing someone around.
That ain't what it was, though. Because he said yes in a positive way. He went like, yes. And then he got detention.
Well, can you play?
Yeah. You want to go inside?
Yeah.
Let's go then. My bike. I just posted a video. Oh my God, where's my shoes out here? Hang on guys, you're going to be in the pitch black for a sec. While I find my keys. Now, I don't know if my code's on. So you just, when we get in, just stay at the door. Okay? Or just stay here for a sec, or just dry. Is this the right key? Yes. Oh my God. Okay, come on.
You have a life case.
Uh-huh. My phone's waterproof. Miley. Hi, Kitty. You have a dog, I have a cat.
That's horrible.
Cats are more friendly.
Yeah,
But this cat doesn't.
I mean,
Okay, stay there for a second. Okay, we're good. Yeah, I have a pretty big house, actually.
what?
You surprised?
By the drawers. I don't even have that many.
You don't?
No. It smells like rubber in here.
Hmm?
I said it smells like rubber in here.
Oh, yeah, we just replaced our sink.
Oh.
because the sink exploded.
They did?
Yeah. Oh,
What, did someone turn it on?
no. I'll show you downstairs. My dad had to cut a pipe because it was clogged.
This is like my house.
Yeah.
But it seems like yours is bigger.
Mine is bigger, but I don't have a basement. You probably do.
What the frick? What is this?
Right there. The thing exploded.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah, my dad cut it. Now he has to get her sleeve and stuff over it.
Is that like your storage room in there? This is basically Chase's house.
Yes. Exactly. Jason's house.
Except the living room. No, this is the kitchen over here. The living room's over here.
Yeah, Chase's house is different because he's got the big window.
I know. Oh, yeah.
I'm kind of hungry.
Where's the kid? What's
Huh?
your guy's name?
Miley. Miley. Miley.
Miley? Cyrus?
Yeah.
You have such a
Keaton
cool
told me your
TV.
dog's name Roxy something. Rocky.
You look like an old TV.
That's my old one. My bike's out on the back deck. Well, that ain't good. Just like I was telling Bo. Oh, hang on. Stay here. My room's off limits.
Why?
There's no carpet.
What?
Yeah, yeah. Stay there.
Whose room is that?
Mine. Well, my dad's and mine. I got the big shower. Okay, go down that way. Carpet, ow, nails. Good thing. Oh. Light. Legos.
That big bin is what you're giving.
Hell yeah. Not my hat though.
Does it have a team on it? No, it's just super big. Who was in the enemy?
What? I have way more Legos than that.
Okay, there's a controller in here. An old Xbox controller. Okay.
Real 3D,
These are 3D.
I think. I'm kind of hungry. Is your dad home?
My dad?
Yeah.
Wow, you want to go up to my house and get some pizza?
No. I'm just asking.
Yeah.
He is. I have food around me. I'm trying to figure out what I want to make.
Where's your cat?
Hiding.
What?
Mama! Come on! Fat cat. You are one fat cat. Where are you? Fat cat, are you under this bed?